CPAPmachines.ca. Today we'll unbox a SoClean order and let's see what's inside. Once you cut open the box, you will find your invoice with a paid stamp along with a coupon for your next purchase. You'll find the SoClean box inside. Once you remove the box, you'll find the SoClean. You will see the SoClean user's manual as well as the warranty. Now every SoClean comes with 1 year manufacturer's warranty. And inside the box you'll find the power supply, a SoClean pre-wash. You will also find the SoClean inside the box. Once you open the lid up, you will see the tubing as well as the filter that's already inserted inside. Simply use the user's manual, connect this to the machine, and then you can sanitize your CPAP unit. For more information, to shop more, visit CPAPmachines.ca.